Hello friends, welcome to Factometer. In this video, I am going to tell you 8 unforgettable facts. This is TRF episode 4. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Fact number 1. With hearing this fact, you will be motivated so much that you will definitely think about this for some time. There is a person named Nick Vujicic. Want to know why he is special? He is born without arms or legs. But the fact is, with this difficulty, he is a painter, swimmer, skydiver, and a motivational speaker. How can a person paint without arms and swim without both the limbs? So just think about it, that some people having both the limbs are lazy and fail to do some of the works. But Nick, having no limbs at all, is a master in those. Fact number 2. Do you know that what is the English name of jalebi? Okay, it's a trivia for you all. If you can write it in the comments, so I will post a video on your suggestion. I will tell it in the end of the video. Fact number 3. Is banana a tree or not? Some people think that it's a tree as it is big and giant. But it's not a tree as it doesn't have a wood in its stem and will never have it. It's a giant herb and banana is its berry. Many of you might think that I am wrong, but it's actually scientific. Banana plants don't have trunks, so they technically are not trees. To be a tree, you have to have a central thick solid stem made of wood, usually called a trunk. Bananas don't have wooden trunks. Instead, they have a fake trunk called pseudostem, made of leaves tightly pressed together. And do you know which country is the largest producer of the banana in the world? It's India, which produces 29 million tons of banana per year. And in the second position is China, which produces 11 million tons of banana per year. Fact number 4. In town Barrow, located in Alaska, the sun sets on November 18th and rises on 23rd January. Between this period, there is a total darkness for 67 days. Fact number 5. Do you know who is Rowan Atkinson? He is the person who got rejected from many TV shows due to his speaking disorder and stammering problem. Then he started his own show, which became a global success. Want to know about which show am I talking about? It's Mr. Bean. So what did you get from this topic? Write in the comments. I would definitely read them. So from this, I learned that we should never lose hope and always believe on ourselves. Fact number 6. Not every celestial object has a shape that's as perfectly majestic as planet Earth. In fact, some of them are downright hilarious to look at. Take a look at Haumea for example. This dwarf planet is cool for a number of reasons. About the same size as Pluto, Haumea orbits the Sun beyond Neptune and has rings similar to Jupiter. But what makes this object even more interesting is that it's shaped like a potato. Fact number 7. With 9 letters and 8 of them being consonants, strengths is the longest word in the English language with only one vowel. Fact number 8. Do you see something like this in front of your eyes whenever you look at the clear sky or green grass? These are eye floaters. These are the spots in your vision. They might look to you like black or grey specks, strings or cobwebs that drift about when you move your eyes and appear to dart away when you try to look at them directly. Most eye floaters are caused by age-related changes that occur as the jelly-like substance inside your eyes becomes more liquid. But this thing can get even worse due to age. It looks something like this. So, we should eat plenty of vitamin A foods like carrot to improve our eyesight. Time to answer the fact number 2. So, jalebi in English is called funnel cake.
So that is it for today. If you like this presentation, please like and share this to your near and dear ones and subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates of my videos when I upload a new one. Till then, stay home, stay safe and Enjoy.